I live in a small but cozy one-bedroom apartment. When you walk in, the first room you see is the hall. There are some pictures on the walls, and there's a blue rug on the floor. In the corner, there's a wooden table with a vase of flowers on it. My favorite room in the apartment is the living room. I spend a lot of my time here, lying on the sofa watching movies and TV series. If I'm very tired after work, I sometimes fall asleep on the sofa. My bedroom is simple but comfortable. On one side of the room, there's a large bed and a bedside table. I have a firm mattress because I don't sleep very well with a soft one. On the other side of the room, there's a chest of drawers and a wardrobe with a long mirror on the door. There's only one window in my bedroom. I chose dark curtains for it so the sun doesn't wake me up too early in the morning. My kitchen has all the usual appliances: a fridge, a freezer, a stove, a kettle, a microwave, and I also have an espresso machine. In the morning, I often sit on a stool in the kitchen while I drink my coffee. The last room in my apartment is the bathroom. It has a shower and a toilet, of course, and there's also a washing machine and a sink with a small cabinet above it. This is where I keep my toothbrush and toothpaste.